Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about how I get ready for my day. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. I'm George. Blake is on a business trip in Puerto Rico, so you guys have me today. So I figured I'd tell you a little bit about my morning grooming routine. So I'm going to do a little beard trim, I'm going to show you how I do my hair, I'm going to show you the products that I'm using right now, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got a new angle going on. I'm going to give you a first-hand perspective on what I see when I do my morning grooming routine. So I guess we're going to start off with a little beard trim first. So I got a little beard brush here. You can get them anywhere, just Amazon, Google beard brush. I'll have a link to a few down below if you guys want to check some out. But basically, just kind of brush it out. This gets you, all the stragglers kind of pushed down in the right direction. Honestly, some days this is the only thing I need to do, but I have been growing the beard out for a little bit, so a little trim is in order. So up next, got this beard trimmer from Conair. This thing is actually phenomenal because I always lose the little clip-on things, and this one has one clip-on that adds an extra 5 to an already adjustable. Let's see if I can show you. You can adjust and it'll get shorter or longer, which is cool. So I have this guy on its pretty much tallest setting right now because I'm just trying to shave off the stragglers. I'm not trying to do too much to the beard. So when you're trimming your beard, you just want to go with the grain. So you want to keep everything kind of neat and tidy and just get rid of all the extra stragglers is kind of the goal. So here we go. So this thing has a super nice like pivoting head, which kind of works with your skin so you can really get in there. And as you can see, I think a 10 is a little too much because we did not take too much off. But another way to do it, which is a little bit trickier and you kind of got to be a little better at it, unless you're okay with losing a beard once or twice before you get it right. But you can take all the guards off and just go with like the straight blade and just kind of work your way down the stragglers. So, you see anything sticking out, you can just kind of snag it, but if you touch in there too hard, beard's coming off. So be very, very careful and go very, very slowly, guys. There we go, got a nice little beard trim. Probably took a little bit off the chin more than I normally would, but it's summer, so I'm okay with it. But yeah, once you get kind of all those stragglers taken care of, you really want to line up your neckline. So I like to go just a little bit in there. I like to leave a little bit underneath, but not too much. Luckily, I don't go too much of a neck beard, so it kind of stops at a nice angle, but I still like to clean it up probably, a good inch, I'd say. So you can just kind of go in, and I'd say edge it around a little bit and then start grooming. Filming. Alright, so once you get that kind of nice and cleaned up, kind of brush out all the extra longer hairs that are still stuck in there. See what you missed, see what you got to go touch up. Or if you need to touch anything up. Looking pretty good. Next thing is kind of just the mustache, which gets a little unruly for me, and these things get a little out of control unless I wanted to start curling it up, which doesn't really work for me and my look. So we're gonna trim down the mustache a little bit. Nice. There we go. Now if you want to, you know, you can come in here with a razor, trim this guy up, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna assume you guys know how to shave a little chin strap, so we're gonna skip that and we're gonna move on to the hair. So basically out of the shower, I pretty much just combed it into the shape that I wanted it to be and had been letting it air dry for the last 20 minutes. I know some of you guys don't have that luxury, so just pop it with a blow dryer, get it going in the right direction and leave it slightly damp. And then what I've been using recently, actually, is this guy. It's a clay pomade from Baxter, and I've been using it a lot because my hair is very, very short right now, and you don't need a lot of it to get a good hold and to get some nice height with what I'm working with right now. So when my hair is a little longer, I usually use a mix of like a pomade and a paste to kind of get a little extra hold and a little extra height, because when your hair is a little longer, it tends to move in the wind a lot more and not be as sturdy. But this is perfect for summer. It's super light. All you need is like a little bit on your finger and you're good to go. So once you have about 2 little dollops on your hand, just want to rub it in, get it nice and warm, because this is kind of like, it's more like a wax, and it says clay pomade, but it's more like a wax clay blend kind of thing. So really want to get it nice and warmed up so it's very malleable, and then you just kind of want to work it through into the shape. You know, you can go from the back to the front and just kind of get everything, get it worked in there to the roots, like so. And then, yeah, I'm not doing anything too crazy today, so like it doesn't need to be perfect. Just kind of make sure it stays in the places that it's intended to be staying. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's got a nice hold, it sticks where it needs to stick. Nothing's too out of place. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up my grooming routine. I hope that was helpful. Remember, when you're trimming your beard, go a little bit at a time. It's easier to take a lot off very quickly if you go in too fast and too hard. So take your time, be very gentle with it. If you have short hair like me, just kind of comb it in right out of the shower how you want it to look, and then if you have like a little clay or a little paste pomade just to get it in the right direction, that's really kind of all it takes. So hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know if you want to see like a full skincare routine down below, or what videos you want to see next coming on Thursday or Sunday. So cheers guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Instagram at Gents Lounge, hashtag your pictures, hashtag Gents Lounge. And please subscribe to this channel because we're trying to make it to 100K when we are so freaking close. So, you know, hit that bell icon, tell a friend, anything helps. Cheers guys.